So now this is all come together like a lump. It's done. What I'm going to do is grease a glass jar or whatever you have, even the normal container, square, any shape for that matter is okay. Take rectangular or square though, because then it's easier when you cut it. Grease it with oil nicely so that when you flip the container it will come out easily. And then shift this thing the pan. That's that. So we have this. Now all you have to do is keep pressing till the entire thing goes into the bowl, and then we will make sure that I set it nicely. There you go. Okay, at this point we'll cover the lid and let it rest. Start it.